held me back when I tried to move on from your life. So you stole my life with clarity. So hold me back, now you're here. Cause I'm mad, show no fear. Wanna let you know just how it felt.
Welcome back, and today I'm going to cover a really interesting stock, kind of under the radar. Nobody's talking much about it because kind of not so easy to understand about it, all right? So without further ado, I want to dive right in right now to take a look at this news article that kind of mentioned about this stock early or later part of last year, December. Here we go. This was dated on 8th of December 2021. McKesson stock jumps after profit outlook raised $4 billion boost to a buyback program. And you know, buyback is one of the themes that we are really focusing on for this particular season of volatility, especially the rising inflation and the hikes of interest rates. So at this point in time in December, they came out with a piece of news like this. Straight away, there's a profit outlook raised. That's called a positive guidance, plus a buyback program. And a buyback program, we are typically looking for above $1 billion, and this is like $4 billion snapshot. So this was dated in December of 8. And then you fast forward to the latest piece of news that you can cover that was on like the 3rd of February. All right, so this is 3rd of February this year. And what is the headline again? One more time. Here we go. Drug distributor McKesson seen getting likely boost from COVID vaccine demand. And this came right off, you know, when I was doing the checks on the spiking.com wealth platform, whereby under step number 3 of alerts, we are kind of alerted by these news articles, all right? So let me scroll down right now. And what is really important is that when we are reading an article like this, there are many giveaways, all right? The giveaway is found somewhere right along here, all right? McKesson in December raised its full-year adjusted earnings per share outlook by 40 cents, helped by distribution of COVID-19 vaccine boosters. So we kind of connected the dots between December article and this February article. And straight off, we know, holy moly, that this is like in big demand in terms of booster. And that's the reason why under Wall Street sentiment, the current average analyst rating on McKesson shares is buy, with 2 analysts rating it hold 14 buy or higher. Current median 12-month price target is $290. So what is the stock price right now? Now before we get there, I mean, we are looking at our software platform right here. This is kind of give us an audit trail of everything that's happened around it. And we can just kind of go down this part here. And that's how I pick out the news, both from the earlier December article as well as the current February Reuters article. Okay, so this is the whole process. You know, we kind of look down right here, McKesson. And then we show all the various purchases by the top fund managers of the world. And then as I go down, whoop, here we go. We spotted this guy. And who is this guy? This is the executive vice president as well as the CFO who bought at an average price per share $219 back on 10th of November. And the total commitment amount, $2.5 million, representing 80.44% of the total portfolio of the CFO. Now that is really like a firm commitment. Now as a result, when we take a look at information like this, we go to the stock chart right here, right? 215, and straight off, you kind of plot out, that was the average price range was kind of trading around here. And straight off right now, the price has already shot up to 258. So this is the exciting part that, you know, every time when we kind of connect the dots and we say, hey, this guy's going to announce the earnings today, and we kind of take a look and say this is favorable to us, and straight off today, pre-market opening bell, we already spike up about 1.61%, all right? I click on the 5-day chart, and you can see the price just want to shoot up. Sometimes you're going to see a variance that goes something like this. Over here, Yahoo is showing 266, but over there is showing 262. There's kind of a jam out in terms of the data itself, but not to worry. I mean, this is the visual spike that we want to see, that we have taken a position and the stop price has moved up. And right now, we are waiting for the opening bell at 10:30 p.m. Singapore time, which translates to 9:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I want to give a big shout out to this really powerful software spiking.com has to offer you. And that's how we nail down MCK, McKesson. And I hope this knowledge sharing will kind of improve your whale hunting. And that's the reason why it's so important that you subscribe to our YouTube channel right there below, as well as follow me on Twitter. All right? Without further ado, thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you at the opening bell, which is coming out soon. And thank you. See you again tomorrow. God bless. Goodbye.
You held me back when I tried to move on from your life, so you stole my life.